Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed minced meat with Mui Choy or steamed minced meat with dried vegetables. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we are going to season and marinate our minced meat. I have with me over here 280 grams of pork minced. Of course, you can use chicken also. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped and 5 grams of ginger or young ginger chopped. Add it in. Also add in 1 stem of a spring onion, only the white parts. For the other green one, we will garnish the dish later when it's done. Add in half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, a few dashes of white pepper, half a tablespoon of corn flour, and half a tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm also adding in 100 grams of梅菜, which I've soaked for about 10 minutes and minced them up like this. Remember the part that's closer to the roots, please cut it off because it is very fibrous. There's 2 types of梅菜that's available in the market. The one that I'm using is the Tian one, which is the sweet one. If you're using the salted one, you need to soak them for approximately maybe 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Before we add them in, alright, please give this a little bit of taste. If it's too salty, please soak it for a little while more or reduce the seasoning. Okay, we just add all this in. Mix them up well. I like to use my hand for this. Mix them up well first, and then we move them in one direction until they are sticky to the touch. This is a very easy dish to make and excellent with porridge or with steamed rice. It's already smelling very, very good. Mix them up really, really well until they are a little bit sticky so that later the texture is really going to be really, really good. When they are sticky like this, we'll slam them a little bit to get the air out so that the texture can be even better. You can slam them for 10, 20 times, no problem. They just need to be sticky like this, right? Until you don't see that the minced meat is one piece by one piece, but a stickiness like this. Okay, I'll just slam this for a while more. This is the stickiness that we want. This is the kind of texture that we like. Now we just transfer the minced meat over here, lay it flat down. We'll let it rest for about 10 minutes before we steam it. I'll see you back in a while. Now we are going to steam our minced meat. As I'm cooking something over here, I'll just use the steam from my cooking over here to steam my minced meat. Because this is on low heat, I'm going to steam this for about 20 minutes. If you are just cooking the meat patties alone, boil a pot of water over rapid boiling water. Just steam this for 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can also cook this in the rice cooker when you're cooking your rice. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, it's done. Look at how pretty this is. Now all we have to do is just sprinkle some spring onions on top, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, I love this smell. Take a big bite of this patty. Oh. Juicy, succulent, savory enough. Now the rice with the sauce. Oh. Absolute rice killer. This is really, really good with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 香。